Dahan-dahan lang tayo, dahan-dahan.
and especially our families. The best way to do it is to turn your words over to Jesus and begin to worship Him with your whole
Take milestone in our education endeavor. After 6 years of honest and successful struggle, we finally reached this day, full of joy and promises. We are happy because a better promising tomorrow awaits us. Fellow graduates, this year's theme, My Education, My Contribution to the Future, is encouraging us to do better in our studies so that we will succeed in whatever we will become in the future. Let us not be discouraged about things that are happening in our society, the economic recession assets, and the liability to our country. We are also grateful to our parents for their unwavering support and inspiration that paved the way for this very significant day. We are also grateful to our teachers and to our school heads, Ms. Marluas Banggao, for their full support and guidance, and for teaching us to be courageous and facing the challenges that are facing tomorrow. So if you have to come here for that warm welcome message.
Now, let's all listen to the message of one of the promising graduates of SLM. Let's all welcome Hannah Tushel Yabu, Preparatory First in Excellence. First, and to our most beloved parents, fellow graduates, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Our early childhood education in this school has modeled us to face the future with good moral character, fear of God, love of country, and respect for everybody. We have taken the first step toward our quest for learning, and may I say congratulations to you, dear parents and teachers, for without your support, guidance, and patience, we will not be here today receiving our first diplomas. To you, my co-graduates in preparatory level, let us then make a promise to our parents, teachers, and alma mater that we will study harder as we enter grade 1 next school year. Early childhood education, which is a good foundation for a better future. Let our education be our contribution to the future. Good luck to all of us and hope to see you again next year. Again, good afternoon to everyone. We hope that you continue shining as you enter the next stage of your education.
Entering a new stage of school life is quite difficult yet
Life is not just a dream or a destination. It's a journey we have to live through. Sometimes full of laughter, and sometimes painted with tears. But count it all, the blessings from God on high. Life is a gift, a masterpiece of creation. We give meaning, we share to everyone. With friends who come along the way, true friends who make wandering near. I thank you for the wisdom that made me grow. Seems just the other
true. Remember those words, one tiny sweat each day is a promising tomorrow.
Mrs. Magdalena Bapus, our guest speaker for today, to our quality-minded parents, our students, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to everyone. Today marks the culmination of many years of hard work in school. To the 2009 graduating class, my congratulations to each one of you. As we watch you move, or as you watch you move on to face new tasks, we, your teachers and parents, comfort ourselves with the thought that we have done all that we could to prepare you well for the next level of learning, because your education will be your own contribution to the future. Beyond the diplomas you will receive today is the knowledge you have gained while you are at SLM. The knowledge that will empower you to meet the many challenges of tomorrow. To the grade 6, this is particularly for you. May I